In this video, I'll show you how to build an internal dashboard with BASE44. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and create a new project. Next, open the Builder chat and describe the internal dashboard you want to create. Explain what information your team needs to manage, such as users, sales, inventory, support tickets, or employee data. Now, submit your prompt and let BASE44 generate the first version of your dashboard. Review the layout, navigation, tables, charts, and forms that were created. After that, customize your dashboard by adding features like search, filters, analytics cards, reports, user management, notifications, and role-based access. Continue refining the design and functionality through the Builder chat. Next, connect your database and make sure your dashboard displays real-time data. Test creating, updating, and viewing records to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, review the completed dashboard, make any final improvements, and publish it for your team to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an internal dashboard with BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.